You have a restaurant beside me, and you know normally the more people come buy food, we get more sale like in water and juice. So knowing that this water running right now, it kind of slow up my business. But as I say, them call the truck from yesterday, because this water been running from Saturday. So I don't know why, the people them not effective, say. A thing like this, remember, it's a business. My business is a license business, I pay tax to the government for this business, so it should have more, Them should have moved to it a little quicker. But no, so boy, this is a little business here, right, so.
So you see less sales since this?
Yeah, man, less sales because from morning see them normally me that sell more juice, more water, more people that sit right here. Yeah, man. So we need a truck to come to see you now, come and doing this. We thought you were someone like from Solid Waste or one of those people or, NWC or one of the people there. So it's a good thing you are doing right now for make the people them, because when you highlight this, them sister them thing are the pipe, them pipe are most like might be from the 60s. So them pipe are need for change out, because remember the population I get more, so more water use. So it need for the government or whosoever need to come change out them pipe system, because if you notice, right, so is an essential part of the community, because here's like the taxi stand where the people them go out and in. You have the vehicle them we go cross road, they have the vehicle. Remember like the school children them coming from school with water like this, running the vehicle them, some of them are speed. If you notice, them have to put something in the road for kind of slow down. So when them water splash up all upon the little children them have come from school, or the people them things can break out germs and cause a lot of disease. So this need to, dwelt with. Yeah, man.
It affect the people them.
How bad it's affecting?
It affect when you acquire pick them at school, you have to take up all stone for them not splash you. Because them drive fast, because that them nearly do me this morning. I have to take up 2 stones. When them tell them say, shh after this. I run. Because when them driver come in, all them say, them still a speed a come, like them want to wet up. And people will fling stone at them car.
So them have splash up nobody before?
Regular them do it, regular. Just up to this morning, I have to take up 2 stones. Them splash up them my grandpit them. I cry them a bus stop for cry them at school.